Hi, Dave Feldberg, Coastal Real Estate Group, and I am here today with John Kerkes with State Farm. And John, tell us why we need homeowners insurance.
Well, I think everybody, you definitely need homeowners insurance. Without homeowners insurance, if something happens to your home, like God forbid there's a fire, if there's water damage, weather-related damage, it could be wind, a pipe bursting in the wall, supply line breaking on a toilet or fixture, flooding the home. Without insurance, you're really completely on your own. You do need it in virtually almost every case, especially if a lender's involved. If you're financing the home, refinancing, or it's a purchase transaction, the lender won't, if there's any third party involved, they won't allow that transaction to go through without knowing that their interest in the property is covered. When it comes to homes, for most people, it's the most important financial asset that they have. And certainly, if you have equity in the home, putting a big down payment, you're purchasing, or any down payment at all, of course, you want to know that that financial asset of yours is protected. That if something happens, disaster strikes, that you're going to be able to rebuild or repair your home.
Perfect. So it protects the lender, also protects you.
Exactly.
Great. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Dave Feldberg, Coastal Real Estate Group. Call us if you have any questions.